Hello everyone. Today I would like to walk you through our transmittal process, a custom module we have built inside Microsoft Dynamics 365 to manage, track, and approve project and vendor documents through a structured workflow. What you will see today covers everything from how a document is created in the system all the way through to final approval. So what is transmittal module? At its core, this module is designed to manage, track, review, and approve documents that are exchanged between our team, our vendors, and our customers. Think of it as a controlled document workflow. Nothing moves forward without going through the right steps. It ensures proper document submission, technical customer review, a full audit trail, and controlled approval before any production activity begins. Every action is logged, every attachment is stored, and the status of every document is visible in real time. So let me go through a process overview. The transmitter process runs through 5 key steps. It starts with creating the document either automatically from a purchase order or manually by our team. Then we assign the workflow stages. After that, the document moves through a series of status update, submit, review, approve. If the document involves a vendor, they interact to the vendor portal. And at the end of the cycle, the document reaches final approval with the complete audit trail. Let's now walk you through each of the steps in detail. First is the document creation. So document will be created automatically once the PO is getting confirmed if the buyer is identified what are the documents lists that is required for that PO. Otherwise, if say technical support team can create the document list manually by selecting the PO number or the sales order number. So let me go to the module. As you can see here, we built a transmittal management module consists of all documents and the rest setups. Under setup, you can see the management parameters. You can see the who will be the TS engineer role will be working on that TS team, technical support team. And an email notification is needed. All the email notification will be updated in the under email notification. If you go to the status master, these are the predefined status we are maintaining for the status stage. And if you go to stages with template, you can see here currently we have 4 stages of template here. It includes stages name, description, and all the templates. The templates include that status, which status, and what is the sequence. So this is a sequence number that is defined in the system. So we have a sequence number and what should be the next sequence also we are updated in the template level. And also each status who will be the person who can change that status is also predefined under the roles. So you can see here when a pending submission can be done only by the procurement expert. But if you go to under TS review, then we are giving like the TS review can be done only, the changes status of the TS review can be done only by the transmittal maintain role users. Okay, so let me go to all documents. If you go to transmittal management, all documents, you can see all the related documents list that has been created in the system. So if we go through each field by field, we can see the document ID, project ID, what is a customer account, customer name, sale order, customer reference, and related PO details. This will be created automatically once PO is getting confirmed based on the identified document list in the PO by the buyer. Or the user can create a manual document list by clicking on the new. They can select the customer, either customer reference or the sale order number or purchase ID and document code also they can select it. What are the documents needed for that records? Once they select it, they can click OK. Automatically, these records will be created. So that is the creation of that. Next, if the document is created, next to see the applied stages. There are 3 main stages available for review, for construction, and for MRB. So when you click on that selected line, when you click on the update stages, you can see all the related stages available to update to that document list. User can mark it and click OK. That means that stage will be assigned to this document list. So if you scroll down, you can see current stage. What's the current stage of this? So this is for review. So first one is like for review means that vendor or the procurement expert need to submit the document for the review of the technical support. To update any document, they can open the document list and click on the update status. They can update the relevant details. So they will update 11 details and any remarks is needed, and they will submit that next status as submit document and select the document. Once the document is uploaded, user need to click on OK. Once this is updated, as you can see down, the document ID log is getting created based on document ID and what is the previous status and what was the current status and what is the revision name. All the details will be updated here. Also, user can click on the view document to view the document what was uploaded by the vendor or the procurement expert. So once the review has been updated, next the status will be under TS review. So based on the setup, the user will come to the system, and based on the role assigned to them, they can have the option to review the TS review. Like that, the next person will come to the system and update all the relevant details and upload to move this to next status. Like that, it will go and end the status of the document. There is another option, like if the PO is suppose this document is inspection test plan is not triggered for all the items. So user have the option to assign the PO lines. When you click on the assign PO lines, they can see all the PO lines that are related to that PO, and user can select this PO and assign. That means this document will be assigned only for that selected lines. Once everything is done, all the review is done, all the final approval is done, user still have the option to bulk download. So it will download all the documents that is uploaded under that document list as a zip file, so that they can store it anywhere and anytime. So user can see all the details, what is the audit trail. So when it's updated, when it is returned, everything can be reviewed in the log stages. So that's it for the transmittal management. Thank you, team.